Hello, Professor and my classmates. I'm going to present my presentation for Week 7 reading assignments. And I will share my screen first, and then I will start my presentation. Yes. For Week 7, I have a different, interested topics, which is cyber physical logistic platforms, which is digitalizing the printing industry in Industry 4.0. And I will start with the introduction, what is the cyber physical logistic platforms. The cyber physical logistic platforms are transforming the printing industry within the framework of Industry 4.0 by seamlessly integrating physical operation with advanced digital technologies. CPLPs empower printers to optimize their entire supply chain from raw material placement to final delivery. This integration enhances efficiency, improves quality control, and ultimately increases customer satisfaction while minimizing environmental impact. As a result, this introduction briefly outlines the core concept of CPLPs and their significance in modernizing the printing industry. As you see on the right side of the picture, so it starts from the customer, which is raw material placement, to final delivery, which is the printed product or 3D printed. And I will explain the definition of cyber physical logistic platforms. CPLPS integrate physical systems with digital systems for seamless operation. And what are the some core technologies for this? So IoT, Internet of Things, some sensors, and some kind of cloud computing and then automation. And what are the goals for the cyber physical logistic platforms? It's that it has to targeting for improved decision making, enhanced visibility, and some optimized research use. On cyber physical logistic platforms are sophisticated systems that seamlessly integrate physical logistics operation with advanced digital technologies. And essentially, CPLPs transform traditional logistics from manual, reactive process to intelligence, proactive systems that are more efficient, some resilient, and response to the changing demands of the market. And Industry 4.0 and some printing companies. The printing industry is undergoing a digital transformation driven by Industry 4.0 that kind of technologies. These advancements addresses some kind of challenge, like which is that the high costs. With this, automation reduce labor costs and minimize waste, and some kind of the supply chain inefficiencies. It's a real-time tracking enhanced inventory and delivery management. And it's also an effect for the customer demands, which is the personalization and faster turnaround times are achieved for flexible production systems. By embracing Industry 4.0, printing companies can stay competitive and meet evolving market demands. And if we look for the digital transformation through the CPLPs drive digital transformation in the printing industry by enhancing. The first thing is that the supply chain management. It's really working real-time tracking of inventory and some kind of deliveries, and it's also improved demand forecasting with the data analytics. And it's also the effect for the production process, which is that automated scheduling to reduce bottlenecks. And it's also predictive maintenance to minimize downtime, because we have to know that before we start what is the predictive maintenance time. And it's also effect for the customer interaction. It's a faster order processing using with the digital tools. And it's also personalized product offering through advanced analytics. And let me give you some example for the success story, which is the first one as Heidelberg printing machines. If we look for the implementation, it's adapted IoT enabled to printing process and integrated cloud-based logistic systems. And it's also leveraged data analytics for real-time performance monitoring and predictive maintenance. If you focus on the outcome, it's always achieve a 30% improvement in operational efficiency. It's also reduced material waste by 25% and enhanced delivery times by 20%. And it's also enhanced customer satisfaction through faster and more reliable production. And if I give you the second example for the case study, which is which have been the success, and I can say that the Koenig Bauer AG. And what are the implementation of this company? It's always introduced a smart platform integration, customer feedback with production process. And they're always use predictive analytics to improve their production reliability and prevent delays. And if they're getting the result for the outcome, it's always boosted customer satisfaction scores by like 30%. And they're always achieve significant cost saving in a logistic operation. And it always demonstrated leadership in innovation within the printing industry. Of course, if they have some kind of good feature, and there are also some kind of challenge in adapting to CPLPS. Why CPLPS offers significant advantage, adapting them presents several challenges, which are high initial investments. The cost of advanced technology is always and some kind of some infrastructure is always high initial investments, and it always has some resistance to change. Employees may be hesitant to adapt new workflows. And there are some also kind of the cybersecurity risk, which is the connected system are vulnerable to attacks. And there are also some kind of issue with integration issues, which is that compatibility with legacy systems can be complex and time consuming. And they're always addressing this challenge is crucial for successful digital transformation. And of course, and also, and you will see some additional challenge on the right side of the adaptation strategies. There's a scalability and a throughput, interoperability, regularity, uncertainty, security, and privacy. This is the like additional challenge for the CPLPS. And with this, there are also some consideration for successful adoption. To successfully adapt CPLPS, the printing companies should focus on cost benefit analysis because the evaluate ROI before implementation is like getting more success with this adaptation. And if we need like a successful adaptation, we also take care of the training programs, equip employees with the skills to manage new systems. And also we have to take care of the robust cybersecurity because they're always implemented from protocols to safeguard data. And there are also some kind of feature which is that we have to be careful. That's for the partnership. It's always collaborate with technologies providers for seamless integration. So proactive planning ensures smooth transition and maximum benefits. And if we getting the result for the strategies for successful adoption, that we have to know that understanding the target audience, and then we can build an awarenesses, and then we can provide education and training and getting the address for barriers and concern, and then we can go that showcasing success and stories. And what about for the future of digitalization in the printing industry? The future digitalization in the printing industry is promising, driven by innovations such as AI-driven quality control. And it's also having some blockchain technology which is enhanced transparency and security in supply chain. There are some kind of autonomous logistic which are the revolutionizes delivery systems with minimal human inventory. On-demand 3D printing is that also expand capabilities to produce customized product efficiently. And these advancements will redefine the industry and making it more agile and customer-centric. And there are some kind of benefits of CPLPS for printing companies that by implementing a CPLPS is that printing companies can achieve definitely the customer satisfaction because it can be achieved for faster delivery and customer solution, and they also has some good relation with operational efficiency, which are the streamlined workflows and reduce waste. And it's also really definitely the competitive advance enhanced ability to innovate and adapt to market trends. As a conclusion, cyber physical logistic platform are a cornerstone of the digital transformation in the printing industry. By leveraging Industry 4.0 technologies, companies can enhance productivity and efficiency, and getting some meet evolving customer demands with agility, secure a competitive edge in the global marketplace, and embracing CPLPS not just an option, it's a necessity for future success. Thank you so much, Professor. This is my references. Thank you so much.